Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Political leaders spend more time vilifying the other than conveying what they stand for and how they propose to address the country's challenges. Those in power seem to equate government performance with humiliating rivals, while opposition leaders return the compliment by using equally offensive language. This has become habit forming. Full stop. New paragraph. The result is that an unedifying new normal has been established. A number of factors might help to explain what has contributed to this new normal in Pakistan's political culture. Full stop. First and foremost, political parties no longer seem to represent any set of ideas or have coherent programs except as platitudes. Full stop. The lack of distinct party platforms has in fact fostered a phase of issueless politics and personalized power struggles. Full stop. There is no debate on ideas or policy alternatives. Full stop. This makes the resort to shallow and provocative rhetoric an easy option and becomes the political weapon of choice. Full stop. New paragraph. It can be argued that the rise of a new political force, PTI, has also contributed to a more combative political culture by leaders who used language and engaged in conduct that offended traditional political norms. This became its way of challenging the political status quo, which it had no ability to do in any substantive sense. Full stop. The point is that once established norms are discarded, that infects the whole body politic and contagion spreads across all parties who adopt the same language and behavior. This is what seems to have happened. Full stop. New paragraph. Other factors are also important in understanding this change in political culture. The proliferation of the broadcast and social media has in recent years made numerous information platforms available to leaders and their followers to communicate and direct polemics against opponents. Full stop. The era of the print media, when TV was a government monopoly, imposed sharp limits on what was fit to print and thus inhibited most vitriol from being uttered and published. Full stop. By its very nature, the independent broadcast media did away with these constraints and encouraged a no holds barred discourse. Full stop. Talk shows provided adversarial settings, accentuated polarized debate, and preferred heat over light in exchanges between public representatives. Full stop.